Hello and welcome back to my channel. Of course, I had to show off my Jeffree Star mirror because you can see from the title that this is about the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Winter Mystery Boxes. This is my first time ever getting a mystery box from Jeffree Star. I have looked at them before and it was always bad timing, or the bad timing isn't the time they came out. I was at work and I couldn't get on my computer. I couldn't purchase one, or you get held up in line, or they're already sold out. I am recording this on December 30th, but as of right now, you can still purchase every single mystery box size, any t-shirt size or clothing size that you might need, from the minis, the premiums, the Supreme and Deluxe, or whatever, all the four different, because there was 4 different boxes that were available, and all of those sizes are still available, which is crazy. He definitely did a restock, I'm sure, because whenever I was deciding between the mini and the Deluxe, which is the next size up, and my sister, I was asking her, I'm like, hey, if I get the Deluxe, would you want to split some of it? And she was like, no, I don't really need makeup. And I was like, okay. So I got the mini, but I'm so excited about it. And yeah, we're gonna show it off to you now. Yes, I've opened the box because it was gonna be too difficult to, try and open it on screen. All right, so here is the mini. It comes in a white box with some light baby blue Jeffree Star snowflakes and prints. The mini box costs $25, and there are no exclusive items in this box, allegedly. It comes with some nice matching light blue tissue paper. You get a lot of tissue paper, and I am excited for these things. First thing I see in here, I'm so excited about this. I was so excited about this collection, and I watched all of their videos together. This is the Shane Dawson collaboration with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you are unaware of this particular packaging and his logo, this is their velour liquid lipstick in the shade Jeffree What the F. Super excited about this. I purchased from this collection, I had purchased the mini controversy palette as well as the velour liquid lipstick in Ryland. So I definitely don't have this shade. Oh, this is like a bright, like Barbie pink. I couldn't remember if this was the pink or the red shade. So that is super fun, super bright. I think it smells like Dr. Pepper maybe. I can't remember what his are supposed to smell like. Give it a little swatcheroo there, so we can see. So that's really fun, really bold. I don't have anything like that. The next thing that I see in here is something else I've never had before. This is the lip scrub, the velour lip scrub in watermelon gum. Of course, I gotta open it up and smell it. And it does say right on the box that these are extremely yummy, edible, vegan, and cruelty-free. Got super cute pink packaging with logos. Oh my goodness, it smells like watermelon bubblegum, like Hubba Bubba bubblegum from like childhood. That smells amazing. If I can get the lid back on now. Okay, and then the last thing is another lip product, which is awesome because lipstick is my favorite things. This is the gloss. So this is definitely something I would have never purchased for myself because I'm not really into lip glosses. I'm always afraid they're gonna be too sticky, or like, on a windy day, your hair's gonna get all stuck in it or whatever. It's gonna smear, you gotta touch it up. But on the right occasion, it is a good time. So this gloss says it has 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. And this is in the shade Beaded Glass, which I believe is from the Orgy collection. So this is a pretty new shade to the collection. It's a really pretty box. Oh, it's got... Ooh, this is the one that's got the really fun lids. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. That looks gorgeous. I hope you can see that color. And the fun little top. So pretty. Definitely smells nice and sweet. And we'll do a little swatch of that. So not really much color to it, but definitely I'm seeing reflex of pink and gold and maybe even some green in there. So a lot of sparkle going on in there. That's super fun. I was kind of thinking when I ordered the mini, because a lot of people talk about how they are really just lip products, which, I mean, I'm glad that I didn't get a set of metal straws because I already have enough of my own. I don't have any of Jeffree Star's straws, but I have my own from the Final Straw, ones that will fold up, and some other regular metal straws, and I didn't want a pop socket, so I'm glad that it wasn't anything like that, or I've heard sometimes that people get stickers or something crazy, so I'm glad that they were all products. Of course, they're all things that I never had before, which I figured. I mean, like, I've definitely tried. I have a couple velour liquid lipsticks, but not in this shade, not any shade close to that one. Otherwise, these are all new products for me, so I'm super excited about that. Let me know in the comments if you got a mystery box this season, or if you're looking to get one now since they are still available. I've definitely been watching videos of what's in the other boxes, some cute things. I've definitely seen a lot of the Shane Dawson collection popping up. A lot of people are getting the Conspiracy palette this winter, so that is interesting and pretty cool because that's a palette that I kind of thought about getting, but I didn't think I needed it. I liked the mini Controversy, but my sister kind of wanted the Conspiracy palette. So, I don't know. I'm wondering if there's going to be a Valentine mystery box and if I should get on that, especially since these are still available. I definitely don't want to jump in and try and get another winter box because I just can't do that right now. But I'm thinking about February now. I'm thinking about the Valentine box. That might be something I need to check out. Let me know if you think I should do that. Let me know if you like Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It doesn't matter if you like him as a person, but he makes amazing products. He makes amazing products. Just like, you can't beat these formulas. Like, you just can't, like, this pink is going, my hand's gonna be staying pink for a minute. Like, it barely moved. It's really because I was just pushing on it, but yeah, my hand's been pink for a minute. But all right, so thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about all these things. I definitely do not regret getting the mini box at all. Again, the mini box is $25, and then the rest of them go up and up and up to over $100. So you choose what you want to do. This is what I did. I'm so happy that I got all the new products. I'm so excited to try all these products. Definitely gonna jump on that lip scrub here pretty soon. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned next week to see my next video. Bye.